Good morning students, welcome back. We are doing first terminal revision and today we'll be discussing the solutions of changing into active voice. Means passive sentences are given, you have to change it into active. So you all know all the formulas. So let's begin. The children are being looked after by nanny. Now are plus being plus V3 form of verb looked. So this is a present continuous formula. Okay, for passive sentence. Convert it into active, use am is are plus verb in the ing. Let's see. Nanny is your subject which will come in the beginning. Nanny is singular, so with it we will use is. Looked is V3 form of verb. Change it into V plus ing form, that is looking. After will is the extra word and the children is your object which will go at the end. So nanny is looking after the children, full stop. Next one. Will a landscape be painted by Dinesh? Question mark at the end. So this is your interrogative sentence. Future simple formula it is, you can see. Now I'll not discuss the formula every time for each sentence as it is already mentioned and we have done already all this. So you try to do it on your own. So will plus be plus V3 is future simple. Let's convert it into active. So will come in the beginning and Dinesh is your subject followed by paint. Painted will change to V1 form of verb paint. A landscape is object, so it will go at the end. And the answer is, will Dinesh paint a landscape? Question mark at the end, as it is also an interrogative sentence. So question and answer both will have in interrogative only. Next one. Has the policeman been seen by anyone? Again an interrogative sentence, students. Has plus been plus V3. So this is present perfect. Change it into active. So has or have plus V3. Been word will be removed. So has, anyone is your subject. Bring it in the beginning. Seen will remain as it is, as perfect tenses. Active, passive both use V3 form of verb. The policeman is your object. So it will go at the end. So your answer is, has anyone seen the policeman? Question mark at the end. Next one. Let all the fans be switched off. Now here you can see the sentence is beginning with the word let. But it's a passive sentence, students. So active can be both ways. You need to decide whether it is imperative or the answer will be, means it's a sentence of imperative or it is beginning with the word let. So how we will find out? We need to check for the subject. Here you can see the subject is missing. That means it's an imperative sentence. So the active formula will be simply V1 plus object. So switched will be changed to switch. Switch off all the fans. Clear? Full stop. Next one. The stories had been copied by the film producer. Now here had been copied. Past perfect. Been is the word for passive. So when you want to convert it into active, you just have to remove the word BEE and been. Had plus V3 will come as it is. So the film producer is your subject. Bring it in the beginning. Had copied will come as it is. The stories is your object which will go at the end. Full stop at the end. Clear? Next one. Her ornaments will have been snatched by a thief. Will have been snatched. Okay, so this is your future perfect formula, students. Convert it into active. So a thief will have, we will remove the word BEE and been. Rest of the things will remain as it is. So a thief will have snatched and her ornaments is your object. So it will go at the end. Next one. 7th. I was requested by him to attend the party. Now here I was plus V3. Okay, so this is simply past simple. Now you want to change it into active. So what we will use? Did, right? Or V2 form of verb if it is positive sentence. So here he requested, him will change to he, right? Then requested, V2 form of verb will come as it is. V3 is requested, V2 is also requested. And I will change to me. So he requested me and then the extra words to attend the party. Full stop. Next one. 8th one. Medicines should be taken at regular timings. Now this again you need to find out, students, that what is this? This is an imperative sentence. Okay, so now here how did we find out? Because should be word is used. It is not the sentence beginning with a let. You can also do that, but it is given already question should be. That means it's an imperative sentence. Simply V1 plus object to convert it into active. So what is the verb over here? Taken. So taken will change to take, and medicines at regular timings. Understood? Great. Next one. A large number of trees were uprooted by the wind. Now here were plus V3, that means it's past simple. Okay, was a were plus V3 is past simple. So change it again, subject plus V2 plus object. So the wind is your subject which will come in the beginning. Uprooted V3 and uprooted V2, same. Okay, so the wind uprooted, then entire, a large number of trees is your object which will go at the end. 10th one. Was wood being cut by the carpenter? Question mark at the end. Now this is interrogative sentence, students. So you can see was is in the beginning. So was plus being, B-E-I-N-G, which is used for the continuous tenses, passive form, right? So this is your past continuous because was is used. Okay, so convert it into active using this formula. So again interrogative sentence only we will form. So was, here your subject is the carpenter, which is singular. So with it we will use was the carpenter, and cut will change to ing form of verb cutting. The wood, wood alone, wood will go at the end as it is your object, and question mark at the end. Was the carpenter cutting wood? Question mark at the end. Understood, student? Easy? Great. So here we completed the active passive voice revision as well. We'll be soon back with the new one. Till then, practice and have a very good day.